Hey, what's up? It's Neo Monkey here, man. I told you guys I was going to break that Vex Mythoclast down, so sorry about the finger and the lens. So I'm going to totally do it right now. I don't even use really the first one that I made. So just to upset everyone, as soon as I load in, and because I'd rather use the shard on my Gallahorn, I'm going to break that bad boy down. It is right there. Oh man, look at that bad boy. All right, guys. Everybody get ready to cry. Here we go. Oh, I hit the wrong button. Ready, set. Oh God, so painful. Oh, all right, guys. Phew. Enjoy this video.